For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a food truck business can be an exciting and profitable venture, especially when you use AI to simplify, speed up, and improve key steps. AI can assist with business planning, market research, branding, pricing, operations, and marketing. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to launch your food truck business using AI tools. Step 1. Research the market and define your niche. Before launching a food truck, it's crucial to understand the local market. Use tools like ChatGPT for idea validation and concept development, Google Trends to spot local food trends, Yelp and TripAdvisor to research competitors. ChatGPT prompt. Act as a business strategist. I want to start a food truck in city/state. What food truck niches are trending in this area? What market gap could I fill? Analyze. Popular cuisines, busy areas, business districts, events, colleges, customer demographics, competitor strengths and weaknesses. Step 2. Write a business plan with AI. A solid business plan outlines your goals, budget, target audience, and growth plan. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate a full business plan, Notion or Google Docs with AI writing assistance. ChatGPT prompt. Write me a detailed business plan for a type of cuisine food truck in city, targeting target audience. Include executive summary, market analysis, operations plan, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Make sure your plan covers startup costs, daily operations, food sourcing and prep, pricing model, break-even analysis. Step 3. Choose a name and branding. Your food truck name and logo should be catchy and reflect your cuisine. Use tools like Namelix, AI-powered business name generator, Loca or Canva for AI-generated logos and brand kits. ChatGPT prompt. Suggest 10 creative, brandable names for a Mexican fusion food truck that appeals to young professionals in Miami. Design your logo and color palette with AI branding tools or by prompting ChatGPT to describe design ideas you can implement using Canva. Step 4. Create a menu with AI assistance. AI can help craft the perfect menu based on trends and margins. Use tools like ChatGPT for menu ideas and pricing, foodpairing.com to create unique flavor combinations, Canva to design the actual menu. ChatGPT prompt. Create a food truck menu with 6 items, focusing on Korean street food. Include creative names, descriptions, and suggested prices based on average food truck pricing in city. Make sure your menu is easy to read, offers quick-to-make dishes, includes at least one vegetarian or gluten-free option. Step 5. Estimate startup costs and get funding. AI can help you build a startup budget. Use tools like ChatGPT to create cost projections, Excel or Google Sheets with AI plugins like Coefficient, QuickBooks for accounting and forecasts. ChatGPT prompt. Break down the estimated startup costs for a food truck business in city, including truck purchase or rental, licenses, kitchen equipment, initial inventory, and marketing. Look into funding options, personal savings, a business loans, crowdfunding platforms, Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Step 6. Handle legal requirements. This step involves getting licenses, permits, and health approvals. Use tools like ChatGPT for legal checklist by location, LegalZoom for LLC registration and permits. ChatGPT prompt. List all permits, licenses, and insurance required to legally start and operate a food truck in city, state. Include costs and where to apply. Make sure you cover business license, food service license, health department permit, fire inspection, food handler's certification, vehicle registration, and insurance. Step 7. Buy or lease the food truck. Choose between buying, leasing, or converting a vehicle into a mobile kitchen. Use tools like ChatGPT to compare buy versus lease options, truck customization sites, e.g., roaming hunger, or prestige food trucks. ChatGPT prompt. Compare the pros and cons of buying versus leasing a food truck for a new business in Florida. Include cost ranges, maintenance factors, and tax benefits. Ensure the truck is equipped with refrigeration, a grill, fryer, and prep space, ventilation and fire suppression system, power source, generator, or connection. Step 8. Develop a marketing plan with AI. AI can boost your marketing strategy with automation and audience targeting. Use tools like ChatGPT to create the marketing plan, Buffer or Hootsuite, AI-assisted social media management, Canva for graphics, MailChimp for email campaigns. ChatGPT prompt. Write a 3-month marketing plan for launching a vegan food truck, including Instagram, TikTok, local events, and partnerships with influencers. Include social media posting calendar, a launch promotions and giveaways, geo-targeted Google ads and Facebook ads, SEO-optimized website or landing page with AI help from tools like Wix ADI. Step 9. Set up daily operations and scheduling. Efficient operations help you scale and reduce waste. Use tools like Square POS with AI insights on sales, Google Calendar or Sling, AI scheduling for staff, ChatGPT to create operating procedures. ChatGPT prompt. Create standard operating procedures for a food truck team of 3, including food prep, setup, service, cleaning, and closing tasks. Prepare a daily routine checklist to ensure consistent service, inventory tracking, cleanliness, and compliance. Step 10. Collect feedback and optimize with AI. Once you launch, collect customer feedback and adjust based on data. Use tools like ChatGPT to analyze reviews and feedback, Monkey Learn, AI-powered text analysis, Google Forms to collect reviews. ChatGPT prompt. Analyze these customer reviews for a food truck and identify areas for improvement in menu, service, and pricing. Track performance data such as best-selling items, peak hours, customer retention, ROI on marketing spend. Use AI to identify trends and improve operations, product mix, and marketing campaigns continuously. Final tips. Stay current on food trends with AI-curated news feeds like Feedly. Use AI to experiment with new menu ideas seasonally. Automate order taking with chatbots or QR code menus. By combining your culinary passion with AI tools, you can start and grow a smart, modern, and competitive food truck business. From ideation to launch, AI reduces guesswork, speeds up decision-making, and helps you make data-driven moves. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.